Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon GBA games on your mobile device. First, you will need to download a reliable Game Boy Advance emulator application. Next, you'll need to locate a compatible Pokémon GBA game ROM file. We will then walk through installing the emulator, loading your game, and configuring the controls for an optimal mobile gaming experience. Get ready to relive those nostalgic adventures on the go. To begin, head to your phone's App Store and search for a well-rated GBA emulator. Many free and paid options are available, so choose one with good reviews. Simultaneously, you'll need to find a Pokémon GBA ROM file. Search online for Pokémon GBA ROMs and download a game you wish to play. Make sure the file extension is GBA for proper compatibility. Once your emulator app is downloaded, install it on your device. Open the application and allow any requested permissions, such as access to your storage. Inside the emulator, there will be an option to load game or open ROM. Browse your device's files to locate the Pokémon GBA ROM you downloaded earlier. Select the GBA file, and your game should begin loading immediately. Most emulators provide on-screen virtual buttons that mimic the original GBA controls. Take a moment to get comfortable with their placement, and many apps allow you to customize the layout. For saving your progress, you can use the game's built-in save function, just like on a real GBA. Additionally, emulators offer save states, which let you instantly save and load your game at any exact moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.